welcome back to Fastback Racing. My name is Jason, and today is the unboxing of Lego Technic Monster Jams El Toro Loco. This is going to be a fun build. I like that it's something different, meaning that it's orange. Because, well, I guess the dragon was green, so... But I just did Max D. So this weekend is so Max D's coming out on the 20th, which is already out. Because I'm filming this on the 20th. So this is coming out tomorrow, the May 21st. So we're gonna do the unboxing. Just give you some. So this one's 247 pieces. Alright, let's, I got my X-Acto knife. A little bit better than my regular knife. See if I can actually get this. Maybe. And I think Abigail's about to come in. Yep. There's my baby girl. She was at the door. I guess she sensed, oh, my human is doing something with Legos. I need to go see and supervise. Yeah, right, baby girl. Either that or she's hungry. There we go. Man, see, I didn't want to use that. But, I need to put this up. Put that away before I cut myself. There we go. I got it open. I was trying not to have to do that. Because I wanted to... Because, see, the reason why I do that is so that way I can fold it back up. But, show you inside. Alright, so look at that orange. And, you know, so far the 3 that I've done, the wheels have been orange. So so once this is completed, so we got one packet right here. I guess I need to move this back. There we go. We got the wheels. Second packet. Third packet. We got the stickers / decals, whatever you want to call them. The 4th wheel and in the manual. This. Let's see. We can flip through this. Get some pages. Abigail looks like she's ready to come up here. That's kind of cool. Last page. Alright, so that's the unboxing. As usual, manual, 4 tires, this thing to make it, the wheels go backwards so it can launch, 3 pieces, Abigail's with her claws on me, she's on the floor, so yeah, we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna have fun building this. I do like that it's orange, that's pretty cool. I keep looking down there because that's where the other 3 monster trucks that I have are. So we have the dragon, which is green. And then my favorite, Grave Digger, which is black and green. And then the latest, Max D. So yeah, we're gonna. So I hope you liked this video. I'll see you in the next one, which will be the building of El Toro Loco. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.